tighten the strap. Oxygen will flow without the bag inflating. Fix your own mask first, and then help others.
There's a life jacket under your seat, next to it, or in the leg rest. Remove your life jacket from the pouch by pulling the tab. Put it over your head, pass the strap around your waist, clip at the front, then tighten. There's a red tag and mouthpiece for inflation, and a whistle and light. Make sure you only inflate your life jacket after you leave the aircraft.
In the unlikely event of an emergency, make sure you're familiar with the brace position. If you can reach the seat in front, brace by folding your arms on the back of the seat and rest your forehead on your arms. If you can't reach the seat in front, lean as far forward as you can and hold onto your legs. If your seat has a sash belt, sit upright, place your hands on your legs and bring your chin to your chest.
Lights will guide you to your exit. Your crew members are pointing them out now. Take a moment to locate your nearest exit as the cabin crew points them out. It might be behind you. To remember your nearest exit, count the rows between you and that exit.
Hey there!
Hey fellas, how you going? 2 flat white?
Double shots, mate.
Had a big night last night.
Your aircraft has great coffee too. It also has escape slides and life rafts, which the crew will operate in an emergency.
If you have to evacuate, leave all items behind. Slide, leaning forward with your hands on your knees.
Smoking isn't allowed on Qantas flights. Your aircraft is fitted with smoke detectors, including in the toilets. So there's no smoking. This includes e-cigarettes.
Store your bags in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you. Your phone should already be in flight mode. If it isn't, please do so now.
Check it out.
I've dropped my phone. If you lose your electronic device at any time, please avoid moving your seat or trying to retrieve it, as phones and tablets may be destroyed if they're caught in the seat mechanism. Thank you. Just ask a crew member for help.
For important information on deep vein thrombosis, or DVT, check out the health and safety section in your Qantas magazine.
What's this? Some chili crab.
Thanks very much.
Enjoy.
It's also time to ensure that your seat back is upright and your tray table is stowed. If you're in business, return your seat to the upright or preset recline position and remove all cables. And if you missed anything, it's on your safety card. Or speak to a crew member.
Whether you're starting your journey or coming home, welcome aboard. If you need anything, just ask the crew. They're here to help, so follow their instructions at all times. Have a great flight. Thank you for choosing Qantas, the spirit of Australia.